In this video, we will review how to set up a class on StockTrak. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in with your professor account. If you don't have one yet, you can register for your free account by going to Register on the main menu and select Professor from the drop-down menu. After filling out the information in the form, click Next. You should see this page after registering, and an email will be automatically sent to the email address you indicated. From here, click Create New Session, and you'll be brought directly to the Create New Session page. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in, and then you can create a new session by going to Admin on the main menu and click Create a New Session. Remember, there is no limit to the number of sessions you can create. Start by selecting the subject of your class. Depending on your selection, different features will be available. For example, if you want to use the personal budgeting game in your class, you'll need to choose Personal Finance. Otherwise, select Investments or Portfolio Management to have access to our full list of international exchanges and securities. If your class is using a textbook that has a promotional code available, make sure to select the author name from the drop-down menu. Next, choose your service level. Keep in mind that the cost will vary based on your session's duration and trade limits. Our most popular service level, Gold, provides an 18-week duration with 400 trades. Then enter your session name and dates. The session name will be visible by anyone who registers to your class. Here, you'll also select the payment method. You have the choice to have students pay directly or forward an invoice to your school. After that, you have the option to use the Express setup for recommended settings, or you can customize your preferred portfolio settings. The default recommended settings start your students with a $1 million portfolio in US dollars with a minimum stock price of $3, allowing short selling, day trading, and trading on margin, among others. Click the Customize Settings button to change any of these parameters. Next, choose which securities your students can trade, ranging from US stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds to more advanced options, including cryptocurrencies, futures, and Forex. You can also add diversification rules, limit the maximum investment in a single option, and set a commission charge per trade. For most international exchanges, we use end-of-day data. You can quickly include all of them in your session by clicking Select All Exchanges. The final stage of setup is creating assignments. You can create these for the entire semester or on a weekly or monthly basis. Assignments could include reading articles, watching tutorial videos, or making specific types of trades. For example, you can require students to short a stock or ETF, to use a stop order, or to buy or sell a certain number of European stocks. If you don't want any assignments in your class, you can toggle them off. Great work! Your class has now been successfully created. From here, you can create a demo account if you want to set up a test portfolio that will appear in the rankings. Otherwise, share the registration link with your students so they can join your class or session. If you want to review your class settings or get your registration link later, go to Reports from the main menu and click Summary Report. The invitation link is at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.